What you need to do today is take your paper that I've given you, fold it in half, open it back up, write your name on an edge with the class period number as well. Okay, now what you're going to do for this project, first step is you're going to draw this cup. So either you can draw the cup yourself, or for the first few that are practices, you can trace the one that I've provided for you at the table. You're going to trace it twice or draw it twice today. For your final, though, you are going to be drawing the cup on your own. So consider this practice even if you're tracing it. So if I'm going to trace this, I'm going to place this, the image I can see through. It's going to be towards the bottom, so I'll have room for the straw in a minute. Trace carefully but quickly. You do have your practices are due today at the end of class. Both cups drawn out. You're going to, without touching the cup that's at your table, you're going to go ahead and draw the straw as well. Straw from the side. You're going to need to get the top that comes out, the bendy part, and then where it goes back into the glass. Take a special look at, this is what the water does. So the straw is there when it's inside the glass. When it's inside the water, it's not lined up anymore. That's one key to making it look like water in there. So for the rest of this, the camera's going to be back up on top, but make sure that when you're drawing your straw, you look at how that's not connected there and how we can't see through the lip there. Straw needs to be straight, so not wiggly, not furry when you're done. So you can make little marks, but make sure you're not making it furry. Where the lip of the glass crosses, we don't see the straw right here, but we see the straw here, and it's refracted again because that's bent. Okay, now it's time for watercoloring. Now, the water and the glass are not clear. We're seeing, you see some shadow. You see shadow behind it, the bottom. There's a little bit of tint from the paper that's underneath, things like this. So this is all going to have watercolor on it. It's not going to be full color. And what I mean by that, it's not going to be something like where you dip in the brush and you get something like this. It's going to be lighter. Remember, like value scale? This doesn't show up on camera, but there's a light blue tint to that. So you'll have every shade in between. So you're going to work slowly through this. This is watercolor. These are just your practices. We will have a final. So every time I get paint, I also go back after I get the paint and get some more water on my brush to make it lighter. Now I got this section too dark here, so I'm just going to get some more water and kind of blend that out to sort of try to erase it. Be careful blending too much though while it's wet, because it will ruin this practice paper.